Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kiran Khokar, back with another video for you guys. So today's video is going to be about our favorite topic and YouTube's favorite topic, which is Sarojini Nagar Market. Sarojini Nagar Market हम सब का एक ऐसे दिल से जुड़ा हुआ टॉपिक है, and this is why I love going there and bringing the collection which is there in the market for you guys. So you can also check out कि सरोजनी नगर का समर कलेक्शन कैसे होता है if you are interested in that, because अभी भी सरोजनी नगर में कुछ समर कलेक्शन है. Otherwise, this video is going to be about the winter collection which is right now available in Sarojini Nagar market. So before starting the video, let me just quickly take you through कि सरोजनी नगर में था क्या क्या. उसके बाद I'll come back and show you what I have got for myself. So let's get started. वेलकम बैक. बाय नाउ यू हैव सीन कि सरोजनी नगर में अभी क्या क्या अवेलेबल है एंड बहुत सारा वैरायटी ऑफ विंटर वेयर आ चुका है. हाउएवर एक डिफरेंस जो मुझे लगा वो ये है कि यूजुअली सरोजनी नगर में काफ़ी सारा विंटर वेयर आता है जो कि बहुत क्यूट एंड प्रिटी लाइक होता है. इस बार ऐसा नहीं था एंड आई कुडंट इवन एक्सप्लोर मच बिकॉज भीड़ इतनी हो गई थी इवन एट 1 o'clock दैट इट वॉज रियली हार्ड टू ब्रीथ. सो मैंने फटाफट से जो मुझे अच्छा लगा मैंने पिक कर लिया एंड आई लेफ्ट द मार्केट. So maybe next time I'll go again and check it out, but for today it's a huge collection, so I will divide this video in two parts. इस part के अंदर I'll show you coats and cardigans which I have got from there, and in the next part I'll show you some skirts, scarves and accessories which I have got from Sarojini Nagar. I'm sure you are by now as excited as I am and you must be like, Kiran, stop talking and start showing us the collection. So let's start. So the first thing which I have got is this sweater which I'm wearing. As you can see, it's so furry and cozy. Front is cable knit and then side say it is furry also. And it is so warm, like soft wala warm. As I'm wearing it right now, it doesn't feel like it's super hot. So बहुत ही cozy वाला warm feeling ये देता है. And it's in grey color, which is my favorite color palette. This I have picked up from a hawker stall which was for ₹100 and randomly I got few pieces. So this is the first one I've got in ₹100. I'm going to show you now the second one which I've got along with that. The second one which I have got, this is blush pink, beautiful, very Victorian sleeves inspired turtleneck sweater and बहुत ही सुंदर है ये. Very like I really love it. This also has some furry vibes on it, very thin ones. ये भी मैंने ₹100 में लिया है and I just love the powder pink shade of it. बहुत ही comfortable to wear है, and just like this one, it doesn't really feel itchy on your skin, so that is the good part about it. I just love the sleeves. I am obsessed with the sleeves. The third one which I have got again because of the two reasons. One is the sleeves. I love statement sleeves. अगर आप मेरे Instagram पे जाओगे so you will see I love outfits जिनकी sleeves में कुछ exaggeration होती है, because वो एक basic top को भी बड़ा statement top बना देते हैं. तो मुझे कुछ cutouts, कुछ एक स्टेटमेंट वाइब पसंद है अपनी आउटफिट्स में, एंड आई लाइक टू कीप द ओवरऑल थिंग रियली सिंपल. सो दिस इज व्हाई आई चोज दिस वन is because of the color. Like it's that warm beige color, brownish tone में. And look at the sleeves. They're again like the powder pink one, so बहुत ही Victorian sleeves kind of है, balloon sleeves में. And another thing which is best about them is the cutout. Shoulder पे इसमें cutout दिया हुआ है, V-neck sweater है, बहुत ही cool लगेगा अगर आप इसको शर्ट के साथ स्टाइल कर रहे हो, और you're just styling it with a woolen skirt. It's gonna look crazy good. So you can see already here how it looks like. लव इट. आगे चलते चलते हम एक और जगह पे पहुंचे, उसमें कुछ और स्वेटर्स हमने चेक किए. आई रियली लव दिस वन. ये बहुत ही ओवर साइज स्वेटर है, बहुत ही कूल सा फील है इसकी. यू कैन सी द लिंक डिटेलिंग ऑन इट. इट रियली लुक्स सो क्यूट एंड फ्लफी, और बहुत कोजी वार्म भी है. सो व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग पिक्चर्स क्लिक्ड इट विल गो सो वेल. एक इसके अंदर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सी कलर ब्लॉकिंग डिटेल भी दी है, लाइक यू नो ग्रीन एंड येलो काइंड ऑफ थिंग. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन, एंड दिस कॉस्टेड मी 200 rupees. So this was my fourth sweater. I got one more sweater, and which is this one. This sweater is so pretty. देखते ही मुझे ऐसे पसंद आ गया था, and I did not have anything in proper black and this color combination. I just love this and love the detailing on it. It's really chunky kind of feel, and it has some these holes in it which makes it look a little stylish. So this sweater costed me 100 rupees, and by chance I got this matching skirt also with it. It looks like this, and it has same color blocking on it, like with yellow and black. The price of it and the whole look I'm going to show you in my part 2, so you do check that out. It will be uploaded just after this. So it's a cute combination, and you will be amazed कि ये पूरा combination cord set मेरा कितने प्राइस में बन गया. So do check out that part. Now I went ahead and मुझे बहुत cute सा powder blue color के अंदर एक sweater दिखा, which is very classy looking. बहुत ही minimalistic look है इसका, बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा है, और इसको मैं किसी भी बहुत प्रिटी कलर के साथ स्टाइल करके बड़ी विंटरिश वाइब दे सकती हूँ. बहुत वार्म है, and aesthetically भी बहुत pretty है, and I love outfits which are aesthetically pleasing. I got it for 250 rupees. For me it's gonna be a little expensive on that price if I quote सरोजनी नगर में जो usual price मिलता है, but not a bad price because वो पूरा hawker stall ही 250 rupees का था. Another piece which I've got from the same hawker stall is this 250 rupees के अंदर cropped cardigan. बहुत ही stylish looking है, trendy भी है cardigan इस season में. Again the sleeves are a little on balloon side, and ये भी जो इसका थोड़ा cardigan है वो baggy feel में है. It looks really trendy and can be styled in multiple ways, so I absolutely love this. Another cardigan which is literally the masterpiece of this video is this one. Like look at this. It is absolute love of mine. I guess जहाँ भी मैं ट्रैवल करने वाली हूँ ये तो मेरे साथ for sure जाने वाला है. And I got it for 250 rupees. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Like जब मुझे दिखा ये, I was like ये तो लेना ही है, इसको तो छोड़ कर ही नहीं जा सकते. So सरोजनी नगर में क्या होता है, कुछ पीसेस आपको इतने अच्छे लग जाते हैं कि वो एक पूरी शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस को वर्थ बना देते हैं. So this is one of those pieces. It has pockets also inside it, and look at this beautiful flower knit on it. Like it's so crazy good. I can already imagine so many pictures in this. This is my favorite piece from this whole haul. I love it so much, so much, so much. So I also got 2 overcoats from there, which I absolutely love. And you look at these, like they won't even look like कि आपने सरोजनी से लिए हैं. अगर मैं किसी को ना बताऊँ तो ये ज़ारा में आपको not less than 10,000 मिलेंगे. So this is just such a good looking overcoat, and ये woolen में है and pretty long. So you can see it here, और बहुत ही luxurious looking है. However, it is a drop shoulder overcoat. मैं ऐसा कोई कलर में overcoat ढूंढ रही थी, and I got it from there, and I love it. इस पे मैंने बहुत बार्गेन की. So I have got this from Graffiti Lane, एंड वहाँ पे ये कुछ 750 से भैया ने शुरू किया था and we settled on 500 rupees. So I got this overcoat in 500 rupees from Sarojini Nagar. The second overcoat which I have got, I managed to get it from a brand called Mango, if you're aware of it, and I will just show it to you. So this overcoat, I was looking for something in olive shade or mehendi shade kind of thing. So I got this overcoat which is from brand Mango. If you're new to Sarojini, then you might not be aware कि Sarojini में बहुत सारा surplus stuff भी आता है which comes from export houses, and बहुत सारे rejected samples होते हैं या sample pieces होते हैं जो कि Sarojini में dump कर दिए जाते हैं. This is how you manage to get the branded stuff which is there in the store, maybe from the last collection, this collection, or the collection which is supposed to go up in next season. So वो सारा collection आपको बहुत सारा time Sarojini में मिल जाएगा, and that is so many times authentic also. So used, unused, God knows, but yeah, you do get branded stuff in Sarojini as well. And this is how I managed to get one of those pieces which is from Mango. This is how the coat looks like. It has a baggy fit. The fabric is tweed and this I got in 200 rupees. अभी आप सरोजनी में जाओगे तो आपको बहुत सारे hawker stalls मिलेंगे जहाँ पे कोट्स भी लगे हुए हैं. From that hawker stall, I was just scrolling through. By chance मुझे ये मिल गया and I picked it up. So this was about today's video. Do check out the second part also, which will be uploaded after this video. So this video is being uploaded on Friday and next part will be available on Monday. Make sure you have the notification bell turned on. Otherwise, how will you get to know that I have uploaded a new video, right? And do subscribe to the channel because I upload weekly videos and I'm sure you guys must be enjoying them. I would really appreciate if you follow me on my social media channels because there I upload daily outfits and reels as well. So you will get to see more of me on my social media channels. I'll see you in my next video. I really appreciate that you come here and watch my videos and it really means a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to check out the next part. Bye.